Hey everybody, Sebastian Moniak here. In this quick demo, I'm just going to show you how you install Agent Gateway inside of a kind uh, or Kubernetes cluster. Just a quick take. Agent Gateway is an open source AI first data plane that provides connectivity for your agents, MCP tools, LLMs, and inference in any environment. And in a Kubernetes environment, you can use Agent Gateway as the control plane to quickly spin up and manage the life cycle of your Agent Gateway proxies. The control plane translates Kubernetes gateway APIs and agent gateway Kubernetes custom resources such as agent gateway policies and agent gateway backend into the proxy configuration for the data place itself, for the data plane itself. So let's learn how to quickly spin up agent gateway. And you can follow this on our tutorial websites if you go to agentgateway.dev, but it's pretty straightforward in only a couple steps. So the first things we're going to do is deploy kind. So I'm going to run this in kind. If you have your Kubernetes environment, go ahead itself. So let's, I'm just going to paste the configs. All the show notes and the configurations will be in my link. So kind create cluster, and we're going to give it a name to install this. Once this is complete, the second step is to install the gateway APIs, the gateway API CRDs. So let's drop that config. Once this is deployed, it's a two-step process. We want to install Agent Gateway. Now, the first thing we're going to do is install the Agent Gateway specific CRDs. Just clear the screen. And then after that is complete, we're going to use Helm once again to now install the control plane and the data plane. And in really those three steps, we have Agent Gateway running inside our Kubernetes cluster. Very quick, very simple. We can validate that the cluster is running by running kubectl get pods in the Agent Gateway systems namespace. And the next thing we need to do when we start doing is you can start creating the gateways that you need to deploy. So for example, if I want to just create a basic gateway, let me just drop the config here. If I want to create a basic gateway that listens on port 80 and accepts everything from all the routes, here's the command I can do. And now this deploys the gateway. So the next step is for you to be able to configure LLMs, be it OpenAI, Anthropic, configure backends. And we have many videos on that. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and check out agentgateway.dev on GitHub. Hit the star. Those helps us with getting the message out about the product. And I'll see you next time in the next video. Thanks.